dear student, how are you? We are in our lecture of NEET and JEE, lecture number 3, NEET and JEE. In last lecture we completed our concept of thermodynamics. Here we are going to our MCQ. Before that, adiabatic process means Q equal to 0. 16 heat gain पण नहीं करे पण release ही नहीं करे, so Q will be 0. That is adiabatic process. Now what is the thermodynamic equilibrium? What is in thermodynamic equilibrium, which includes, so here listen, chemical equilibrium, then thermal equilibrium and mechanical equilibrium involves. In thermodynamic equilibrium, which equilibriums we discussing about? Chemical, thermal and mechanical. Understood? Yes. Now question first of the day. Numericals. We are going to start 2 liters of nitrogen, 2 liters of nitrogen gas at 0 degrees Celsius and 5 atmosphere pressure is expanded isothermally against a constant external pressure of 1 atmosphere, 1 atm, until the pressure of gas reaches 1 atmosphere. Here assuming gas is the ideal. Yes. Calculate the work of expansion. Calculate work of the expansion. How much work is done? 2 liter gas. External pressure generally different from the pressure of nitrogen, and thus process is irreversible. Here inner pressure of gas is 5 atmosphere, where external is 1. So what happens? Piston moves upward, means expansion occurs, and this process is irreversible. So for irreversible reaction we are using external pressure into delta V, means V2 minus V1. External pressure is the 1, V2 is the final volume and V1 is initial. Here volume is not given, so first of all, which is 2 liter at 0 degrees Celsius, means temperature constant oil. So we are using formula P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Initial volume is given 2 liter. initial pressure is 5 atmosphere and 2 liter. So outer external pressure is 1. So V2 will be 10 liter. So here V2 is 10, V1 is 2. So 8 into 1 minus 8 atmosphere into liter is the work. W is negative. Why? Our gas state expand થાય છે. So work done by the system. So it is a minus. Now we have to convert into calorie and joule. How can? Minus 8 atm into liter. First we have to divide by 8 to 1. Then multiply to 1.987. So it gives the calorie. This is shortcut. Then calorie multiply by 4.814. So it gives the answer in joule. So in joule 810.10 joule is our answer. In both joule and in calorie, in both we derived value of it. Now second question, we are in our બધાને સમજાય છે ને? બધાને રેગ્યુલર જોતા રહેજો. બધી તમને ટ્રીક અને બધા મેથડ્સ આપણે જોશું. સો રેગ્યુલરલી વિડીયો જોતા રહેજો. It will be beneficial for you. Now second question, calculate the work done. Calculate the work done. Work done when 1 mole of water at 373 Kelvin vaporizes against an atmosphere atmospheric pressure. Yes, atmospheric pressure of 1 atm, which is 1 atmospheric pressure. Assume ideal gas behavior. Okay, so here we have to find work. So 1 mole water is equal to 18 gram. Density of water is 1, so 18 milliliter is the initial volume. Now volume of 1 mole vapor, so PV is equal to nRT. Pressure is 1 R. Yes, here P will P2 nRT upon P. 1 mole 0.08 to 1. Temperature 373. Pressure 1 atm. So it will be 31 liter. So work is equal to, during expansion, P external P2 minus P1. External pressure 1 atm. This one 31. This is negligible. 18 by 1000. So 0.018. It is a negligible. So remain 31 atmosphere into liter. This is our work in atmosphere into liter. Now direct we have to convert into joule. So multiply by 101.32. So atmosphere into liter gives in joule 3140.3 joule. This is our answer. Understood? બધાને પ્રોપરલી દેખાય છે ને? Okay. Now, third question. It is of diagram. Cyclic process. Question about cyclic process. Identify different steps. Identify different steps in the following cyclic process. Yes, so here diagram is given like this. A, B, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to F, and F to A. Here temperature of A, B and F is T1 and of C, D and E is T2, where T1 is greater than T2. A, B and F નું temperature same T1 છે. C, D and E નું temperature T2 છે. T1 is higher than T2. So give the આ ડાયાગ્રામ માંથી તમને ક્વેશ્ચન આવું પૂછાય A to B indicates which process આવું પૂછાય from A to B indicates which process. Yes, we are moving from A to B. Temperature of A, when we move from A to B, so A and B નું temperature same છે, so isotherm. Temperature constant, so process is isotherm, and also pressure is constant. Yes, A and B માં pressure constant છે. Pressure constant means isobar. So A to B is the process of isotherm and isobar. Understood? Now B to C indicates expansion. Yes, volume increases B to C, but B to C temperature decreases. So adiabatic expansion. Yes, sir. Adiabatic expansion occurs A to B. Volume increase થાય છે. Expansion. Adiabatic. And temperature falls, so it is called adiabatic expansion, and temperature decreases. Now C to D, temperature of C and D same, so isotherm final. Temperature constant, so isotherm, and C to D you can see વોલ્યુમ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ. પ્રેશર ચેન્જ થાય છે બટ વોલ્યુમ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ, સો આઇસોકોરિક. Temperature constant means isocoric. Now what about D to E? Yes, from D to E, temperature constant, so this one also isotherm T2 and isobaric. Yes, this is isobaric. Isotherm અહીંયા વોલ્યુમ ચેન્જ થાય છે પણ પ્રેશર કોન્સ્ટન્ટ છે, so it is the isobaric process. Pressure constant છે C2D, volume decrease થાય, pressure constant, so isobaric. Now what about E2F? Yes, E2F, adiabatic compression. Yes, pressure increase થાય છે, pressure increase થાય એટલે compression કહેવાય. Adiabatic compression, where E2F temperature, yes, adiabatic હોય જેમાં temperature change થાય. Yes, that is adiabatic. Now what about F2A? F2A temperature constant, so isotherm. And what is constant? Volume constant, F2A. Pressure increase થાય, so isobaric. Understood? Now next question. A gas expands next question. A gas expands by .5 liter against a constant pressure of 1 atmosphere. Calculate the work done in joule and calorie. Here we will use our formula P external into volume change, delta V. P external is 1, volume change is 0.5 liter, so 0.5 atmosphere into liter. Now atmosphere into liter we have to convert into joule, so minus 0.5 atmosphere into liter multiply by 101.328, so it gives 50.664 joule. Now joule into calorie, so minus 0.5 atmosphere into liter multiply by 24.20, so minus 12.20, 0.5 1 by 2 અને 2 વડે ડિવાઇડ કરો, 12.20 કેલરી. હવે જે ક્વેશ્ચન આપું છું એ ટાઈપના ઘણીવાર પૂછાઈ ગયા છે. યસ. નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન of first law of the thermodynamics, which is about the work done by a system by a system is 10 joule. When 40 joule heat is supplied to it. Calculate the increase in internal energy change. So means delta U we have to define. Here you can see work done by a system. So W will be minus 10 joule and Q, it is supplied to the system. Absorbed heat, so positive 40 joule. So delta U is equal to Q plus W. Here Q is plus 14, W is minus 10, so plus 30 joule increases. In this system, internal energy 30 joule increases. Yes. Now in the next question, nitrogen gas 2.8 gram, dinitrogen gas N2, gas at 300 Kelvin and 20 atmospheric pressure. ATM was allowed to expand isothermally. Against a constant external pressure 1 atmosphere. Calculate delta U, Q and W for the gas. First read question. Nitrogen gas is given how much? 2.8 grams. So first we have to convert into mole. So first we have to derive for getting work initial volume and final volume of the gas. So mole of nitrogen here 2.8 divided by 28. Molecular mass, mass upon molecular mass. So 0.1 mole. So initial volume of dinitrogen PV is equal to nRT. Here pressure is 20 inside in the vessel, 20 atm is lying in the vessel. So volume will be mole is 0.1, R 0.0821, temperature is 300 degrees Celsius, 27, 300. So volume 0.1, 0.0821, 300 upon 20. So initial volume of nitrogen gas is 0.123 liter. Now final volume after expansion V2 nRT upon P 0.0821, temperature 300 Kelvin. But external pressure outside after expansion is of 1 atm. So volume will be 2.463 liter. So now work W is equal to minus P into delta V. External pressure is 1. Change in volume V2 minus V1. 2.463 minus 0.123. So minus 1 into 2.34. So minus 2.3 atmosphere into liter. So we have to convert this atmosphere into liter into calorie and joule. Minus 2.34 atmosphere into liter. Divide by 0.0821 and 1.987, so it gives calorie. And once again multiply by that value into 4.184. Yes, so it gives a 236.95 joule. This is our work W. Now isothermally expansion. Isothermally, delta T is equal to 0. So delta U, internal energy change will be 0. So delta U is equal to Q plus W. So 0. W is derived 236.95. So our Q will be another side plus 236.95 Q, W and delta U derived. Next next question. 27 degrees Celsius temperature. Next question. In the next question, at 20 degrees Celsius, 1 mole of an ideal gas compressed is compressed isothermally, temperature constant થઈ જાય isothermally and reversibly. Yes, so here is reversibly from a pressure of 20 atmosphere to 100 atmosphere. 20 atmosphere to 100 atmosphere compressed થાય છે ને, એટલે 100 માંથી 20 થાય છે. Calculate the delta U, internal energy change and Q, heat. Value of R we have to take 2 calorie per Kelvin per mole. Here word you can see reversibly and isotherm. So formula here will be change minus 2.303 nRT log P1 upon P2. Yes, volume માટે V2 upon V1 for pressure P1 upon P2. Here 2.303, 1 mole. R value is given 2. So answer in calorie. Temperature 27 means 300. Log P1 20, then 100. So minus 2.30312 log 20 minus log 100. Before point there are two digits 1, 3010. 10 no square 2i log 10 1. Log 10 raised to 2, so 2 log 10 equal to 2. Log 10 की value 1, 2 लिखूँ. So here 2.30312 300 2 minus 1.39 0.6990. So minus plus 965.84 calorie is our work. For adiabatic, for isotherm reaction, delta U is 0. So Q is equal to delta U minus W. 0. Actually delta U is equal to Q plus W. So here 0. W is positive 965.84. Now understood? So Q will be minus 965.4 calorie. Q, heat. Work on this system. Okay, on this system 100 માંથી 20 થાય છે, કમ્પ્રેસ થાય છે, એટલે પ્રેશર કમ્પ્રેસ થાય છે, એટલે 20 હતું એમાંથી 100 થયું, એટીએમ compression થયું. એટલે work done on this system, એટલે 20 હતું એમાંથી 100 થયું on this system એટલે પ્લસ, heat release થશે એટલે નેગેટિવ. Yes sir. Now next question. Calculate the maximum work done in expanding 16 gram dioxygen at 300 Kelvin, occupying the volume 5 decimeter cube to 25 decimeter cube. Isothermally. So here expansion occurs isothermally, but reaction is not reversible, irreversible. Irreversible by formula P external into delta V. So P external into V1 minus V2 minus V1. So P external is 2. Yes sir. Here first we have to derive number of moles. We have to derive first number of moles of the oxygen. So NO2 Yes, mole is not given. So mole of oxygen. Mass upon molecular mass 16 by 32. So 1 by 2. So 0.5 mole. It is clear. Value of R in joule 8.314 is in joule. Value of R in joule. So here 16 gram oxygen. So work done in expanding W is equal to minus nRT log V2 upon V1. Yes. Here N is a mole, 0.5. R is 8.314. Temperature is 300 Kelvin. Log V2 25 upon 5. So 0.5 into 8.314, 300 in log 5. Now value of log 5 is value of log 5 0.6989. So answer will be minus 0.6989 into 300 0.5 into 8.314 into 300 into 0.6989. So 871.59. 87159 in joule. This is our answer. Now next question. An ideal gas. So next question, an ideal gas absorbs 600 Kelvin of heat during the expansion from 10 liter to 20 liter against constant pressure 2. To ATM. Calculate the internal energy change. So here I told you P is equal to delta V. External pressure is 2, delta V, V2 minus V1. Final volume is at 20, initial 20. So 20 minus 10, so 10. So here will be 20. Understood? 20 atmosphere into liter work. We have to convert into calorie first. So 20 multiplied by 24.20. So 484 calorie work is done. So delta U is equal to Q plus W. here heat is 600 calorie absorbed એટલે પોઝિટિવ આવે absorbed છે રિલીઝ નથી absorbed એટલે પોઝિટિવ work is done so negative so 116 calorie is our answer. Now last two questions of the day. Another question. One more ideal gas. One mole ideal gas isothermally and reversibly expands if pressure is 0.2 liter to expands up to 2 liter. No, 2 liter to 0.2 liter. So 2 liter હતો એ 0.2 થાય. So contraction occurs. One more ideal gas isothermally and reversibly expand if pressure is 2 atmosphere to pressure is 2 bar. Yes, not liter. 2 bar to 0.2 liter to atmosphere. Expansion general pressure decrease થાય. Pressure is 2 by 2.2 atmosphere expands is so calculate value of Q, delta U and W, and temperature given is 273 Kelvin. For isotherm and reversible process we have to use formula minus 2.303 nRT log P1 upon P2. In the case of volume V2 upon V1, in the case of pressure P1 upon P2. So 2.303 mole is 1. Our value in joule when we take for getting answer in joule 273 Kelvin, log P2 is 2 upon 0.2. So 2.303 into 1, 8.314, 273. So here 2 upon 0.2, so 20 by 12 log 10. So value of log 10 is 1. So answers will be 5272.2 joule. This is our work. Now for isotherm, delta T is 0. So actually delta U is equal to NCV delta T. Yes. Why delta U 0? I am giving you reason for that. For delta H હોય તો NCP constant pressure હોય ત્યારે heat capacity N into delta T. Here delta T 0, so delta U 0. Second answer. Now delta U is equal to Q plus W. Delta U 0. Q we have to derive this one minus 5272.2. So Q will be positive 5272.2 joule. This is our answer. Now last question of the day. Last question of the day. given mass of gas expands from state A to B by 3 paths, 1, 2 and 3, as shown in figure. As shown in figure below. If W1, W2 and W3 respectively be the work done by the gas along 3 paths then which one is true? Pressure and volume, A state and B state. Path 1, path 2 and path 3. So which one is the highest? Which sentence is true about following? W1, W2 and W3 B. W1, W2, W3. All the three are same, or W1 is less than W2 and W1 is less than W3. Which one is true? Tell me. Actually, work is not a state function. Work depends upon path. Yes. So whenever path changes, work will be changed. So in first case, here work is a PV type work. Pressure into volume type of work occurs here. So in the path 1, our area is like this. This is work W1. In the case of second, this one, up to. We get some graph like this. So W2. In the case of 3, our work is like this. So which area is higher? W1 kata W2 and W1 and W2 is higher and W3 is higher. P and we know area. W is equal to P into V. So which area is highest here? W3. So answer is B. I hope you enjoyed your lecture અને નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર બધા જોતા રહેજો, તમને બેનિફિટ થશે. નવા નવા બધા જ MCQ નવી નવી ટ્રીક સાથે શીખડાવીશ. જય હિન્દ. વી વિલ મીટ ઇન અવર નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર. બાય. ટેક કેર.